Hey guys, I'm Lakshya and I'm back again with the fourth question of exercise 10.4. So here you have. You have a well of diameter 14 meters is dug 15 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly to form a circular embankment all around the well of width 7 meters. Find the height of the embankment. So here you have a well. So let this be a well. So well of diameter 14 meters. So the diameter of this given well is 14 meters. So let it be like here. So diameter means here where diameter comes like this, right? So diameter equals to what? Something like 14 meters of diameter we got. And the height of the given well, okay? Height of the well means a well is in a shape of cylindrical shape, right? So the height of the well is 15 meters, guys. Okay? So now here, taken out of the earth, it has been spread evenly. So this has been spread evenly to form a circular embankment. So what happens here is, on this given well, you have a circular embankment which has been formed. Embankment is nothing but it is a circular ring shaped one. Okay, circular ring type one. Here you can see, you can draw embankment. When we viewed from the top view, we will be seeing like this, something like this. Okay. So this is somehow looks like a embankment with a circular shape, and it's something look like a circular ring type one. Okay. So this will be the embankment. So now we got embankment. So what is embankment? We got. Now the question is, find the height of the given embankment. So to find the height of this embankment, firstly, let me find the volume of the cylinder. Means volume of the cylinder means where volume of this given well. Okay. So to find the volume of the well, let me write down like solution for the given question. So starting with it, first let's find the volume of the well. So volume of the well equals to, well is in the shape of cylinder, right? So I can take like cylinder. So volume of the cylinder equals to pi r square h, right? As you know formula, right? Pi r square h. Pi value 22/7, r radius. I know diameter equals to 14 meters, but what is radius? So to find radius, we can say like where d diameter equals to what? Maybe I'm done with the other one. Where diameter equals to what? 14 meters. Now radius r. Then radius r equals to what? 14 by 2. 2 ones to 2 times 7, 14, right? So therefore I can say that where radius equals to 7 meters. Done. Radius equals 7 meters. Height given what? 15. So just substitute these values in the given formula. Where 22 into radius means 15, 7, right? So 7 into h means height over there is 15 meters. So height means deep, okay? 15 meters have been dug from the earth. So I can say like 15 meters of height. Now just cross it out, 717. So just don't simplify it, just write down like 22 into 7 into 15 meter cube. Right, for volume meter cube. Now done with this. Now I got what? Volume of cylinder. Let me write over here where volume of cylinder equals to V of cylinder equals to 22 into 7 into 50 meter cube. Okay, let this be like this. Now let's go for the next one. Now we must find the volume of the embankment. Okay, so now let's find the volume of embankment. So to find volume of embankment, before finding the volume of the given embankment, let's find the radius of the embankment. So as here given word, you have 14 meters of deep, and here if you observe in this question, you have evenly to form a circular embankment all around the well of width 7 meters. So you have the width of this given embankment is 7 meters. So let me take like width means this, right? Something looks like this. So width equals to 7 meters. Okay. So width equals 7 meters, and the radius of this, the radius means r, right? So the radius of this well, radius of the well equals to 7 centimeters as we got, 7 meters as we got now. Okay, so the radius of this given cylinder equals 7 meters and the width of the embankment is 7 meters as well. Now as usual, so here you have to find the radius of the given embankment. I can say that volume of well equals to the radius of the, let me write down like where radius of the well, okay. As we know, radius of well equals to the radius of the inner radius, right? So inner radius means I can consider like radius of the well. Okay, so this will be the inner radius. So if I take radius like this, something like here, from here to here, this will be the radius of the given embankment. Okay, so this will be the radius of the given embankment. But I got what inner radius I got is what 7 meters. So inner radius means it is the radius of the well. Now to find the total radius, I can write like here, where r. So just consider like the radius of embankment as r. Okay, let's denote it with r. So r equals to inner radius. Let's consider inner radius as small r. So small r plus width. This is equals to width plus width equals to. So r equals to small r plus width means w. Right? So here you have, just again look over here, you have an embankment, guys. So you have a circular shape in this given embankment. Now what happens here is you have an embankment somehow or the other like this, where the width of this embankment is 7 meters and the inner radius is 7 meters. Now to find, let me write it here. Now to find okay, then now here to find the total radius of the given embankment, so this becomes the total radius, right? So this will be the total radius of the embankment. Now to find the total radius, so where the width is w, let's represent it with w, and the r equals to this. So the total radius, let it be a capital R of the embankment. Okay. Now here to find the radius of the embankment, we must add like r equals to, where small r equals to what? 7, right? So 7 plus width means w equals 7. So therefore 7 plus 7 equals to what? 14. So therefore I can say that, so width r plus w equals to 14. Therefore r equals to radius of embankment equals to 14 meters. Okay, so I got what radius of embankment I got is 14. Now here to find the volume of embankment. Now let's find the volume of embankment. Volume of embankment formula will be, here we can take like pi into r square. Find the height, right? So yeah, pi into r square minus small r square into h. H means height, right? So height. Now here we got this. Now just substitute like values, like pi value, let pi be 22 by 7 as usual. So let 22 by 7 into r square. R means where r equals, let me write down here, where r equals to 14, right? Means r means radius of embankment equals to 14. Now small r means 7. So this is equals to the inner radius. Okay, inner radius or radius of the well. Now here where r means 14, right? So 14 square minus 7 square into h means height. Height I don't know, so I need to find the height value. So let h be, h means height be height. We are done with this. Now let's go for the next one here. Where 22 by 7, let 22 by 7 like this, 22 by 7 into 14 square, 14 into 14, 196, right? So 196 minus 7 square, 7 7 is 49 into h, let it be. Now here 22 let 22 by 7 be 22 by 7 into 196 minus 47, this gives 147. Sorry, 49. 196 minus 49 gives 147 into h. Now here just look into the 7 tables, 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 7. Therefore, I got what is 22 into 21 into h. Therefore, the volume of the embankment equals to 22 into 21 into h meter, right? So meter cube. 22 into 21 h meter cube. Done. Now here I got the volume of embankment. Now to find the height of the given embankment, so I can say like, I can write like, where the volume of well equals to volume of the well, okay, means volume of the cylinder, right? So volume of the well equals to volume of the embankment. So let me write down like, instead of well, let me write down like cylinder, okay? Cylinder equals to volume of embankment. So my volume of cylinder equals to what? 22, as I have given, 22 into 7 into 15. 15. Okay, let this be like this. Now this is equals to volume of cylinder equals to volume of embankment. So 22 into 7 into 15 equals to 22 into 21 into h. Alright? Clear? Now here I need to find h value, so just transpose this 22 into 21 to the other side. So here this getting multiplied, so if I transpose this gets divided, so let me write down like here. Let me write down the next step like 22 into 7. Let me write down like h. Okay, h equals to 22 into 7 into 15 divided by 22 into 21. Okay. Now here 22 gets cancelled. Now look into the 7 table. 7 1 7. 7 3 is 21. 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. Right? So 3 5 is 15. Now we got where I can select h equals to 5 meters. Therefore, let me conclude this point like, therefore over here. Okay. Let me conclude here. Therefore, the height of the embankment where the height of the embankment equals to 5 meters. I got the height, so the height of the embankment equals to what? 5 meters, and thank you.